Okay, let's make twist of fate. Let's make twist, the golden penny twist, or please, before I twist my tongue, let's make macaroni. Okay, it's like macaroni. I know it as, or you can also call it akwa pilapi in Igbo. Akwa pilapi. My daddy calls it akwa pilapi, and he doesn't eat it. So, if you are asking, in case you don't know the meaning, if you're asking what's the meaning of akwa pilapi, is cassava apilapi. Cassava. But God. Okay, if you have an Igbo person around you, just tell the person to help you and interpret the meaning of apple api. Yeah. Okay. So, welcome to my page. It's your favorite girl that uses chicken money to make a very sweet food meal that will increase your lifespan. It's nice. You come and test it so you confirm. Okay, so it is a day and few hours to Valentine, and I want to ask those that are in relationship, have they asked you as a majo like each other for Valentine? I want to hear your answer. Oh, Ajibegi. Okay, maybe he will ask you on the day, which is Friday. Oh, I understand, my sister. Just they play because Obrogwa with the person. You inside the Evia, another Evia there inside. In case you don't understand what they try talk. I want my even what it concern me with that matter. Have a man a shift, Jerry. We go just they look on her, they shout, oh wow, this is beautiful. No problem. As 2024 went now, nothing happened. Yeah, it's 2025. 2025 will still go and nothing will still happen. Till God finally says it is this year. And yenge moon na this social media. Oh! Chineke na. Yenge moon with my baby and I, my mini me, my this and that. Yenge moon. Nge kwere na oga eme, no na eme. Hey, Chineke, all of you that have I'll be happy to watch you guys. I'll be very happy to know what he got for you, what he did. But if you eventually in any way want to use it and oppress or depress me, Ngabia through that relationship in the night. Trust me, I will come like a thief and come and steal it. Maka, why? Anyway, let me mind my business and enjoy this my sumptuous macaroni. As you can see, I'm eating it closing my eye. Thanks for watching, guys.